welcome to my channel. I was very surprised. Volkswagen has unveiled a new goodnight package that transforms the ID buzz electric vehicle into an eco-friendly camper suitable for overnight stays. The package includes exterior modifications and new software and is already available in Germany as an accessory for existing models. The package includes a bed frame that mounts above the rear seats, complete with a custom-made 2-meter mattress, as well as a folding table and chairs. It also features blackout curtains for the windows and ventilation grills for the front doors. However, unlike the more extensively modified California models, this version does not include a kitchen or fixed built-in furniture. In Germany, the Goodnight package will cost 2,600 euros and can be installed on any ID buzz variant, whether with a short or long wheelbase, and with any seating configuration. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.